Hi there, my name is Jack.
And I'm Sam.
Right, and our project is called Omega Math. We made a quadratic equation solver. It's meant to be teaching and interactive for a classroom setting.
Okay, I'm going to share it. Jack.
Sure, and what we're looking at now is our activities page. So there's 6 different activities that we made, and Sam is going to click into the very first one here.
Okay, so this is for the teacher. They would run through the process of solving a quadratic equation with the students watching, and they would explain all the concepts. Then the students would go away and on their own, they would have a go at a more structured but requiring input version of the same page. Finally, they would be able to test themselves using a quadratic tester. And if they got it wrong, they might see on their profile that they've had an extra attempt, but not an extra correct. Jack, your pages.
Sure, yeah. So there's 2 different types of quadratic equations. The easier ones are when that first coefficient is 1, but we made a harder version of questions when it's not 1. There's a lot more to think about here. So if you step through the teacher version, Sam, then yeah, you're going to show all of the different sort of thought processes that you go through as you solve one of these equations here. So this is the teaching version, like we said. Let's see what it looks like when you have the students take charge. So they'll do pretty much all the same steps here, but we added, oh no, Sam, can you press start again? Yeah, so now if you press solve again, it'll step through all the processes where the students actually have to put in input and eventually get to an answer at the end. Now the harder version, now this is when we actually test the students' knowledge. Say they get the answer wrong, it won't add any points to their profile. But if they get a question right, then it would. And that's our project.
Yeah, thanks very much. All right.